in many cases that you would like to have this Word file and you want to connect it to the Excel, for example, for student record or for rubric or anything else. That's how we will merge the Excel sheet data over the Word file. So it will become the rubric. For example, here I have a rubric, student name, student ID, let's say result number 1, result number 2, result number 3, whatever. So I have the data already ready on Excel, and I want to collect this data to make it suitable for me. So simply I will prepare the Word file that related to the information that I would like to have it. And I have this data already on Excel sheet. So I will go now to the Excel sheet. This is the data, how it looks like. This is the data that I have it, student name, student ID, result 1, result 2, result 3, among all 30 students of the sample that I have it. In this case, I would like to get for each student all this information done by once. Now, I don't want to open the Word file one by one, rather than I prepare it on the Excel sheet, and you will have it here by click. So let's see how we can do it. First, you will click on the mailing sites on the Microsoft Office, regardless of which copy that you are using, all have the same features. So simply you will come to the mailing, which is here in the bar sheet, and then you will click on choose the letter actions, and after that you will go then open for you the recipient part. You will choose use existing list, which were the data already that you have it already there. Now I prepare this data that I will use it for the student information, and I will call it here an example. So I will click on open, then you will choose that to confirm. Now, regardless of if you are using Mac or Windows, the same feature for both using are the same. So you will keep the data that you have it in Excel sheet. Now in the Mac, that will ask you here to choose the cell range. This is not the same in Windows, but here I will use the data from A1 until E31. So this is the range of data that I will have it. This is A1 and this is E31. So I will choose here from A1 until E30, then I will press on OK. So voila, this is the data. Now it's come or merged between Microsoft Office and Excel sheet. So I will come here to choose the bar that I would like to get it. So I will come to the student name, then I will choose from the merge the student name on the category of the student name. Then I will go to the student ID. I will choose the ID. This is the same variable name on the Excel sheet, then R1. Then for the result 2, I will choose result 2, and for result 3, I will choose result 3. In this case, now I have already the merged data. I can press on the peer view, so I can see the data, how it looks like directly. Directly it's converted to that student 1, name 1, result 1, ID 1, etc. for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, etc. until all the data that I have. Now, the last option I have, either I can send it to the students by email, merge to the email, so the students will receive a personalized email that with his or her result, or I can choose it to make it in a PDF. So I will choose the print, then I can save it as print. I will choose the place that where I put it, then okay, then I will open it. All these sheets already now converted to be with me as a PDF file. So we can see here student 1, student 2, student 3, all the information and data that was on the Excel sheet now converted to be one file with all these rubrics on the PDF. This is simple and easy way, so you can choose exactly how the data can be arranged. You can use the predefined worksheet that you have it, and then directly you can copy it and put it here on this sheet. This is a simple, easy way, and of course it will save the time for you. This is Abdul Karim Blasi, and thank you very much for being with us.